Windows Update stuck at 0? You are not alone. It's a common issue that can leave your PC hanging for hours. Stick around as we show you reliable fixes to get updates moving again and keep your system secure.
Hey everyone, welcome to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are going to show what to do when Windows Update is stuck at 0% on Windows 11. Whether it's a network glitch, corrupted files, or background services, we will walk you through step-by-step solutions to restart the update process and keep your PC up to date. Let's dive in.
Method 1. Restart the Windows Update service. When Windows Update is stuck at 0, first restart the Windows Update service. The service ensures it is running properly and can update your system. Now here is how to do that. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc and hit enter. Scroll down to Windows Update service. Right-click it and select Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click OK and then select Start if the service is stopped. Click Apply and check if the update works. Method 2. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next thing you can do is run the built-in Windows Troubleshooter. This can help detect and fix common update issues automatically. Here is how to run the troubleshooter. Open Start, type Troubleshoot and then select Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters and choose to run Windows Update. Wait for the process to complete and then try again. Method 3. Restart Windows Update components. Next, you can restart Windows Update components manually. Type CMD in the Windows search and choose to run command prompt with administrative privileges. Now run these commands one by one. All the commands are provided in the description below, so you can copy and paste them from there. Once done, restart your PC and check for updates. Method 4. Clear the software distribution cache. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Go to Drive C, then Windows, then Software Distribution. Now select everything inside the folder and delete. If any files are in use, skip them for now. Method 5. Run DISM and FSC commands. The next thing you can do is run DISM and SFC scans to repair system files and fix update-related corruption. Open an elevated command prompt window. Execute the following commands one by one. Wait for the repair process to finish, then restart your PC and check for updates. Method 6. Free up disk space. Lack of storage can also prevent Windows updates from installing properly. So free up some disk space and check if that works. Open Settings, then go to System, then select Storage. Click Temporary Files and select Unnecessary Files. Click Remove Files and then restart your PC. Method 7. Uninstall updates. Reverting your system to a previous state can resolve update issues caused by recent changes. To do that, open Settings, go to Windows Update, then select Update History. Click Uninstall Updates, then select and remove the latest installed update. Restart your PC and then try to reinstall the latest updates. Method 8. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can cause update failures due to server authentication issues. To check the date and settings, open Settings, then select Time and Language, then Date and Time. Enable Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. Restart your PC and try updating again. Method 9. Use Safe Mode to install updates. Some updates may get stuck at 0 due to background applications, so you can use Safe Mode to install the updates. Here is how to do that. Press Windows plus R, then type msconfig. And hit enter. Go to the Boot tab, check Safe Boot and select Network. Click Apply, then OK. Then restart your PC. Try running Windows Update. Method 10. Clean install Windows. If all else fails, performing a clean installation of Windows ensures a fresh, error-free system. Download a valid Windows version from Microsoft's website. Click on the Download Now option and follow the instructions to complete the clean installation. Once done, activate Windows with your product key and set up your system. Follow the on-screen instructions. Wait for the process to complete and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. Your Windows update should now be downloading smoothly instead of freezing at 0%. If this guide helped, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick, reliable tech solutions. Still stuck or found another fix? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching. We will catch you up in the next video.